Hello everyone, this is Preeti Balasore, and here we are, the final stage. Everyone excited? I am excited to announce the winners of this competition. I was really happy and the work was really impressive. जितने लोगों ने भी participate किया, I really love the enthusiasm, the confidence, the willingness, the passion. अपने ड्रीम्स को ऐसे फॉलो करते रहे, अपने आप को सपोर्ट करते रहे और अपने आप पे फेथ रखें. Trust me, it wasn't easy for me to judge. It wasn't easy. All the beautiful people, congratulations. First of all, I would like to appreciate the energy you have put into it, the positivity, and the passion for your dream. Congratulations. So, are you excited for the second runner-up for this competition? Any guesses? Yes, you're right. The second runner-up is Jennifer Hasta. Congratulations, Jennifer. You truly deserve it. I really like the way you speak, your confidence, the way you present yourself, the way you have introduced yourself. It was really impressive. I really like the idea behind your presentation was, the color you have used for the makeup. It was blue. That is very risky, मतलब bright colors और उसको hold करना. It's little risky and you took that risk. Wow. So Jennifer, and one more thing, you are so gorgeous, you look so beautiful. The different, आप अपने आप को different कैसे करते हो दूसरों से is your personality, the way you look. You have a little international kind of look, आपका जो features है और आप अपने आप को जैसे carry करते हो, that is really amazing, really amazing. सारे कोई ऐसे नहीं होते हैं, सबके पास जो लुक भी होता है बट देन उनको कैरी करना कैसे होता है वो नहीं आता है. एंड यू हैव दैट एंड दैट वाज रियली took my eye. This is the girl. Yeah. So मुझे आप में चीज़ें जो अच्छी लगी, that was the way you presented yourself, the confidence you have, the way you speak, and the poses you gave. So these are the qualities and you truly deserve it. Congratulations, Jennifer. Beautiful and good looking people के साथ हमारी लिस्ट ख़त्म ही नहीं हुई. जो हमारी सेकंड रनर अप है जेनिफर हस्ता, उनके साथ कुछ और नाम भी जुड़े हैं जिनका नाम है पार्वती और जेनिफर हस्ता. दोनों के बीच बस कुछ पॉइंट्स के अंतर थे और हम चाहते नहीं थे कि आपको निराश किया जाए, तो इन दोनों के बीच में एक्चुअली टाई हुआ है. पार्वती, यू आर ऑल्सो अ सेकेंड रनर अप. कंग्रेचुलेशन. आपकी क्रिएटिविटी लोगों को इतनी भा गई और आपका आइडिया, इट वाज फैबुलस. यू आर वेरी चार्मिंग. आपका क्रिएटिविटी और आपके इनोवेशन बहुत ही अलग थे दूसरों से जिन्होंने शायद ही ऐसा कुछ किया था, तो हम ऐसे कैसे जाने देते हैं आपको. कंग्रेचुलेशन पार्वती, यू आर द सेकेंड रनर अप. इसके साथ जिनको हम नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते थे, उनका नाम है द क्यूट लिटिल आकांक्षा. वेरी क्यूट, वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल. उनका जो स्टाइल था, आप बहुत ही प्रिटी लग रहे थे और आपको भी हम जाने नहीं दे सकते थे. कंग्रेचुलेशन आकांक्षा, यू आर ऑल्सो देयर इन द रनिंग. और आपने अपनी क्यूटनेस से, अपने ग्रेट स्टाइल से सबका दिल जीता है. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. यू हैव अ ब्राइट करियर. आपका पैशन है मॉडलिंग, सो नेवर लेट इट गो. ऑल द बेस्ट. Here we go. The second runner-up is already done, announced. So the first runner-up here is Shivani. Shivani, you are really, pretty cute. The classy one, I would say. Little cute black dress always goes, and you have taken that in a safe side. So it was really good. I liked your presentation. I really liked the way you walk. तुम्हारा I mean आपका walk बहुत अच्छा था with that shiny heel. Yeah, it was कोई चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था या फिर बहुत कम नहीं था. Or the second thing, I really liked your photograph. The location you chose for your background and the pose you gave. Perfect. These are the things जो हमें अपने idea में रखना चाहिए. Whenever you have a photo shoot or you do your photo shoot by yourself to make a profile or anything to present, the first thing we see is the perfect background and what you want to show. I mean, showcase क्या करना चाहते हो. And the pose you gave was really nice. I mean, it was clear, clean, simple, sober, classy. So overall, it was really nice. Yeah, I really liked the way you walked. I really liked the combination you used, the dress and the heel, and open hair, the location for your photograph. It was good. And yes, I noted that. Very well said. If you follow your dream, you will get success. Keep believing in yourself. So yeah, you did, and you deserve it. So the first runner-up is you, Shivani. Congratulations. Keep believing in yourself. Keep doing the good work. Congratulations. I'm very, very, very happy to announce the winner. The winner is Soumya Sharma. I mean, I was amazed. I was really, you're 15 and you are so confident and you're so presentable. You took my heart. You have such a beautiful smile, the way you presented yourself, especially आपने जब वो walk लिया and you had that, you carry that smile and you did that walk with confidence. That was really nice. Your dressing sense was really impressive. The way you speak, the way you carry yourself, the way you hold it, and your walk was really nice. Nice body language. Good styling. Yeah, good styling with that. I loved your photograph. Honestly, I loved your photograph. The styling you did was nude heels and blue gown. It was really pretty. The pose were perfect, the background were perfect, the look was perfect, the expression was really good. It was a charming expression and grace at the same time. So I really love that. And congratulations, Soumya, you won that. You're the winner of this competition. Congratulations.